Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about how to graph linear functions. Let's get started. When we're graphing linear functions, we want to make sure that we have an ordered pair. When we're graphing on a coordinate plane, we need an x value and a y value. So if it's a function, you will have both an x value and a y value. And then if it's linear, it will create a straight line. So let's go ahead and look at the table that they gave us. They gave us this table up here that says x can be -3, -1, 1, and 3, and y can be 4, 6, 8, and 10. Well, we want to write these as ordered pairs, and then we want to go ahead and put them on our coordinate plane and graph them and see what happens. So the first one is -3, and what goes with -3, the y value, is 4. And then we have -1, and what goes with that is 6. And then we have 1, and the part that goes with that is 8. And then we have 3, and the part that goes with that is 10. And so they've lined it up really easy. You can see here they have our ordered pairs. Now let's go over to the coordinate plane, and we're going to graph. Remember, the x value goes first and the y value goes second every single time that you graph. All right, so we're always going to start at the origin. We want to go backwards 3, 1, 2, 3, and we want to go up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll graph the first point. And we'll continue doing this. -1, up 6, 1, 2, 3, and over 1 and up 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And finally 3 and 10, 1, 2, 3, and 10. And then we'll go ahead and connect the 2 points. So I'm going to grab my line tool to see if we can make it look nice. A line. And I'm going to start here and connect it to here. And it will go up. Very good. So there is our graph. It's a straight line, so it's a linear function. Go ahead and copy this into your notebook. Very good. All right, well now we are going to use a table this time and to come up with our ordered pair. And we don't right now know what the y value is going to be. So if it's a function, y is equal to this equation. So really, y is equal to -3x plus 2. And we simply have to substitute the x value into our equation to figure out what the y value is going to be. So let's go ahead and get started. -3 times, and the x value in this case is also -3, plus 2. -3 times -3 is +9, plus 2 is 11. And then we'll keep going. 3 times -1 plus 2. So we have a 3 plus 2, which is 5. -3 times +1 plus 2. -3 plus 2 is -1. And then we have -3 times 3, 9, plus 2. -9 plus 2 is -7. So let's see if we can go ahead and add these to our coordinate plane. And you can see it's not really showing it super close and easy like it did last time, but remember our x will go with our y. So we have -3 and 11, 1, 2, 3, and 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It goes off a little bit, but that's all right. Then we have a -1 and a 5. So -1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have 1 and -1. So forward 1 and down 1. And then we have 3 and -7. So over 3 and down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to grab my line tool to see if I could make it look fairly straight. And I want to go from here, and I want it to go through all of my ordered pairs, and there would be our function. So it goes downwards. Excellent. Go ahead and make sure you have all of this information into your notebook on your graphing paper as well. Great. Well, for the Your Turn page tonight, I want you to go ahead and create these tables on your graphing paper and complete the table to figure out what the ordered pairs are. Then I want you to graph each function onto your graph. Great. Okay, we'll talk about this tomorrow, answer any last minute questions you might have, and we'll move forward. Good luck.